What is up, investors? Jason here. So I'm going to be giving another update on Cardano and the rest of the crypto space. Now, we've seen a pretty big hit come into the crypto market and the stock market over the whole issue that's been going on with China with Evergrande. Of course, the crypto market got hit first because, well, they're open much longer. They're open 24/7, unlike the stock market is. Now, we're seeing things kind of taper off a little bit. A much better situation at the moment than what we had seen previously. But we were holding very strongly with Cardano at the support line of $2.35 and the resistance of $2.55. Now, with the new issue that we've had that crashed the crypto market and this big flash crash, we saw the price of Bitcoin go down, Ethereum go down, and it just went down the board. So we saw Cardano also drop and take a pretty big hit from that. Now, of course, if the entire crypto market is falling, then of course Cardano is going to fall too, just like Solana and Polkadot, etc. Now the situation is, what do we do with the catalysts that are there? Does this create a better buying opportunity? Should we be holding off? That's all up to the investor to decide. That's up to everybody to decide what they want to do. But in my personal decision, this creates a much better buying opportunity. Now, many people have said buy the dip. Now, I personally am buying the dip as well. Now, I want to get into what is currently going on, what are the catalysts for Cardano, and also talk a little bit about Solana, Polkadot, etc. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread the videos to more people that might find it interesting. Now let's get to it. Now, I just want to go do a quick little look through at the cryptocurrencies. And what we've seen recently is we've seen the price of Bitcoin drop below $40,000. And with Bitcoin dropping that low, there was a lot of support to keep the price above that. As you can see, this big green candlestick here, a lot of buying coming in and pushing the price of Bitcoin back above $40,000, currently at around like $41,500 at the moment. Now, we're going to see this same sort of drop and then the price going back up on pretty much everything. As we look at the same thing with Ethereum, same sort of situation. We look over at Cardano, same thing. And Solana, same thing. Polkadot as well. So we're going to see that with everybody. Like I say, the price of Bitcoin does determine a lot as what the other cryptocurrencies do, which is why we don't have Cardano at that same support we had at $2.35. So we're still dealing with Cardano at the moment. We do have a bit of support at around like $2 right now, and I think that Cardano hopefully could just stay above it. I mean, we do know that there was a lot of support keeping it above $2, so hopefully it does stay like that. And if we do look at what the current resistance that we are going to be dealing with Cardano in this price, we will be having a lot of resistance at around like $2.15. Now, hopefully we can keep the support strong at around $2. Hopefully it doesn't drop down much more. And if it does, it can find support at around $1.90. Now, I'm bullish on Cardano, so the way I look at it right now, because there's not a whole lot of news coming out with it, so everything that's been going on Bitcoin coming down has been dropping Cardano, and what would really send the price of Cardano going back up would be good news. So if Cardano was to drop even more, I think it would drop to around $1.90 support. But the big thing is that this is still a buying opportunity really to be taken advantage of, in my personal opinion. Because in the last video I made a couple days ago that was really overshadowed by the fact that the Cardano started dropping. Well, I mean, the entire crypto market in general was dropping. And I wasn't able to really get that video out. But the thing is that their last reported there was over 3,000 plus smart contracts in the works. And they're basically locked, waiting to be deployed in the future. And in my opinion, that's a big catalyst to really be looking forward to. That's information that we need to see the price of Cardano going up. And there's just no news really coming out to really help benefit that. But to talk about what I talked about in the last video, data in real time shows that there is currently more than 3,000 smart contracts locked in a time lock contract. Although developers cannot access them because they are currently locked, once access is granted, the market is poised to record a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The new record comes not long after successful implementation of the Cardano ALONZO hard fork. Despite the price of ADX stumbling, the new development is good news for the weeks ahead. However, there is still a truckload of work to be done before the unlocking is complete. The deployment of decentralization applications as well as decentralized finance products, DeFi, amongst many other projects must first be completed. Once this is done, the price of ADA might also begin to correct as developers awaiting the development might have also impacted the dwindling price of ADA at the moment. Now, I'm sure we're going to be getting a lot more information on the smart contracts to be looking forward to, and that will be released hopefully on the Cardano Summit, which is going to be on September 25th and September 26th, which is a great catalyst for the price of Cardano as well. I think that a lot of information will come out by then. Now, this is a live event, and it's going to also be a virtual event that will be available for anybody that does want to join it, which they don't even collect a whole lot of information. Basically, just give them your name and email address, and that can help grant you access to watching the event. Now, there are several DeFi and DEX platforms that have already revealed their roadmaps for launch on Cardano. Some of these are billed to be game changers in the cryptocurrency space in terms of cost efficiency, speed, and use cases. One of the platforms in development is SundaeSwap, a decentralized exchange that functions much like Uniswap. The DEX is hoping to become the leading exchange on Cardano, as well as a hub for initial DEX offerings or IDOs for the new Cardano projects. On the roadmap, the platform intends to become fully functional with limit orders and direct swap by the fourth quarter of the year. The team of developers has also claimed that they have solved the currency issues but are yet to publicize their solution. Ariana is another exciting Cardano ecosystem decentralized application to look out for. It is billed to be the leading decentralized autonomous organization on Cardano. This will make it possible to mint a US dollar stablecoin called SUSD using ADA as collateral. It also intends to offer a Dana Swap, an automated market maker, decentralized exchange for stable multi-asset pools. The platform plans to carry out a public sale, a token generation event, as well as release its stablecoin and DEX in the fourth quarter of the year. And there's other DeFi protocols that we have to look forward to. One called Meld, which is going to allow users to be able to lend and borrow tokens on Cardano, as well as NFT gaming and a lot of other things that are going to be in store to be looking forward to. So I'm sure we'll get all the information at the Cardano Summit, which is a reason why I'm going to be watching it. I'm sure we'll get a lot of details, and I will be sharing and following up with my audience. So anyways, I'd like to know, is there anybody out there that is currently buying the dip? Please let me know. Share it in the comments. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching.